a whole tilapia in foil is a simple and delicious way to prepare this fish. The foil helps to lock in moisture and flavors, resulting in a tender and flavorful dish. Welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and let's start cooking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You can scale the fish to remove the small scales on its skin. Trim the fins of the tilapia using scissors. Wash the tilapia to remove loose scales, dirt, or debris from the fish's surface with lime. Make multiple deep cuts on the fish. To make the marinade, I'm using all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, minced garlic, grounded red pepper, and oil. Taste to check the salt level and add more as necessary. Now slice some onions and bell peppers. You can use any other vegetables of your choice. smear the marinade over the entire surface of the tilapia. Ensure that the marinade is spread evenly, coating both the outside and inside of the fish. The marinade will add moisture and flavor to the tilapia during the baking process. Place the onions and bell peppers on the tilapia and wrap them securely in the foil, creating a sealed packet. Make sure there are no openings for steam to escape. Place the foil-wrapped tilapia in the preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes. If you prefer a slightly crispy texture on the outside, you can open the foil and allow the fish to cook uncovered. Once the tilapia is cooked, carefully open the foil packet. Be cautious of the hot steam. And transfer the fish to a serving plate. You can garnish with additional veggies if desired. Now, I'm going to enjoy the oven-baked tilapia with kenke and homemade sauce. Remember, cooking times may vary based on the size and thickness of the fish. So, always check for doneness by testing the flesh with a fork. Enjoy your delicious and healthy baked whole tilapia.